Hello, I've got some neon powdered pigments that I bought from Belissa UK, and we're going to be using them without gel polish. Let's take a look. These pigment powders come in little pots and you get an awful lot of powder in them. This is a set that I got from Belissa. I'm not sure if the white came with it or whether I bought it separately. Anyway, you get an awful lot of powder in these little pots. It's not like other pigment powder. These are very chalky and you do need a sticky layer to put them into, which is why I'm going to be using nail foil glue. So if you just apply a thin layer of the foil glue, it goes on in a sort of slightly blue colour, and when it's dry it'll go clear. Whilst that is drying, I'm just going to add a little bit of cuticle tape. Once that's dry, I'm just going to take one of these eyeshadow applicators that come with the pigment pots and take a little of the pigment from the lid and just tap it into the sticky layer of the foil glue. I want to do a rainbow design today, so I'm going to use a little stripe across the nails of each of the colours. You can use a white base coat if you prefer to have a more solid colour, and it would make the colour stand out a little more. I don't think you really need to use it. I quite like them with that slight translucent edge. I am just making sure I get into the corners of my nail because I have quite a C curve on them, so I need to tuck it right down into the corners so that I don't miss the edges. Once you've done that, just dust off the excess with a little brush. And top coat. I'm using this cuticular one. It has a nice fresh green apple scent and it seems to go quite well with rainbow themes. I'm just rolling off the nail tape and you can see there really isn't very much clean up to do at all. Just to finish off, I'm going to add a scattered holographic top coat by Cupcake Polish called Sprinkles, just for a little bit of extra sparkle. And that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. All the items I've used will be in the description box for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that little bell if you'd like notifications of my next video. See you next time.